Hello, and good day to each and every one of you. Getting tired of your messy kitchen because of the several kitchen utensils used? We got your back about that. Presenting the Multifunctional Kitchen Utensil. One tool for an amazing kitchen experience. This product is composed of a spatula, ladle with inbuilt can opener, and a knife. Designed in such a way that when interlocked turns into a tongue. How about that? Now we will show you the special features that make this product much worthy than what you currently have in your homes right now. Now with the help of the mahogany material that we used on the handle, it makes the grip much tighter and secure. You will no longer worry about your tools getting out of hand. That is too uncomfortable to use, right? You can also use this as spatula alone, or a serving spoon, or even a bottle opener. Upgrade your kitchen experience now and cook with love and affection and with much ease.
As seen on our initial design, it simply combined two components, which is the ladle and the spatula, and they are both connected by a flexible hook on the top end, thus leading to the first problems. As seen in this design, it may not handle properly as a tongue due to both components lacking ridges on their ends. At the same time, the hook component may snap when used constantly. This design might even lead to breaking in the long run.
Now, let's take a look at the improvements made from the previous design. You can see the changes made in the handle part. In version 1, the handle was fully made of mahogany, but in this design, we tried to incorporate it with a sheet of metal and a hollow rectangular handle for better grip and enhancement of anti-slip feature. Another change was done at the tool's interlocking feature. The designing team made a unique yet effective interlocking system that enables the user to easily assemble and disassemble the tool.
High-quality materials were being used in our multifunctional tool. And let's talk about the first material, the silicone. Where the spoon and spatula were made, this silicone will help remove the gas from the copper alloys to improve strength and reduce brittleness, thanks to its corrosion resistance properties. On the other side is the can opener, where it is made in a stainless steel. Aside from its aesthetic appearance, it is also a lightweight material and can sustain weights, especially when opening your favorite can of beer or canned goods. Isn't it great? How about the handle grip? Well, you will love this. A mahogany in a wooden hand grip is being used for special purpose. It possesses natural temperature regulating properties, so you'll remain comfortable while cooking your favorite hot adobo.
Here's the rundown for a month-long development of this powerful kitchen utensil. During the first week, the whole team was led by the research team, sharing the problems of the existing several kitchen tools and the solutions the team can offer. Additionally, we also did initial sketching during this period of time. On to the following week, the designing team tried to give life to the initial sketch and made a 3D design using Fusion 360. The design was made with accordance to the specific guidelines given to the team. Then the next week was filled with a lot of revisions and enhancement of the design after the evaluation and suggestions made by the experts. For the final week, the designing team finalized the 3D simulation of the tool, and here goes the mighty and indestructible multifunctional kitchen tool.